Welcome back to Bennock's Garage. Today we're working on a 2017 Dodge Ram 3500 with a 5.7 Hemi. It had a misfire cylinder 2. The gentleman put in new coil packs, new spark plugs, new injector, and we diagnosed it with no compression in cylinder 2. And we took off the valve cover, and all the other rockers were going up and down. Cylinder 2 were just going. So what happens? Your lifters, you can see, is completely blown out, and the cam is completely ate up. So, Hemi tick, it did not have the Hemi tick, but misfire cylinder 2. So if you have a misfire, pull off your valve covers and just take a look and see if rockers are moving. Thanks for watching.